flood has arrived. Everything is kind of spilling over. There are a lot more clouds, a lot more rain falling. Yeah, it's coming back to the question, like, what should we do during a flood? I'm researching projects to increase climate resilience for local communities. The community engagement is super crucial in those projects. So what we have here is a flood resilience game. And because we say that everybody can contribute to making that happen, so to increase your own resilience, your family's resilience, as well as your community's resilience. What I noticed in general when people play the game, that they do start thinking about like when they should do what kind of action and also with whom.
Maybe I should do introducing myself to neighbors so we know what to do in an emergency, or maybe I should learn about my home's level of flood risk first.
The Center of Coastal Climate Resilience has supported me essentially in the process, because on the one hand, they were the reason enabling me to come here. And also for the game development, they have a very good network within Santa Cruz and outside, so that we get more expertise on what people can actually do. Yeah.
We know it's coming, I better get prepared.
And the rain is already falling right now, so now you really need to, clean the streets and make so that the rain can really go through. And we made 5 out of 6 stars, so not too bad.
I knew that was going to happen again.